you so much, Pramod, for such elaborate introduction. Uh, yeah, I may not carry all of it in a big way, but thank you so much for bringing me here and giving me a chance to talk about it. Sure. Yeah, my journey is one of a kind. I know everybody has their own journey, and it might be incredible for them, but my one is a little different or off. You can say very uncommon. I belong to a very humble background, so came with my husband to US regarding his work, and then later I never liked following orders, so I thought of creating something of my own. I started my business. Along the way, somewhere I felt I'm not the person I wanted to be. So something inside me just called and said to, like, I didn't know then that spirituality, what's that? I didn't know, but I just followed my heart, and it led me to a very deep self of me where I could find all the answers that I need. I don't have to go anywhere. I just know what to do. It's just a place that knows everything. And right now, I feel confident and I feel free. I don't have stress. Uh, yeah. So mhm. I am not a very computer person. I'm far, far away from computers. I can say that. But I have a computer engineer at home, which is my husband, and he also works with AI. And I get to see things, how it works, and I have seen, and it is very useful and incredible. I have seen in the like everyday world. If you want to create something, it's very easy, and they would give like innovative, creative ideas. But if you ask me empathy, I think it's a very deep human thing. No matter how advanced a machine goes or how far you can take it, it end of the day, it's a study. Like I think it's like analyzing your moves or your whatever, emotions, but it's not feeling it. So empathy is all about deep feeling. So I personally think it cannot like really read real empathy. It cannot have empathy. It may read the emotions of it, but it will not have empathy in it. See, anything, the word itself is very magical. Artificial word itself says a lot about it. When we say real versus artificial, it says a lot about it. So real empathy, real life, real humans are going to be, it's original. It originated from us.
Mm-hmm.
And no matter how sophisticated or how far you take artificial intelligence, yeah, it may turn out someday that it is going above and beyond humans' idea of life or whatever. But it's not going to be still real. It's made. And you and me, like humans, are going to make that. And they're going to put smart, like whatever it needs, things there so that those machines understand human emotion and understand um, whatever the details of emotions so that they can analyze that this is what it is. But it's still, I don't think it's still going to be as far as human when it comes to deeper connections. It may act smarter outside in the outside world. That's why AI is so important and so fascinating and very helpful outside the world. But I don't think internally, emotionally, it would be like as equal as humans. I don't know. I still not in a world where I am personally using AI, where it connects to emotional factors of life. I still use AI for very external things. Develop this, develop that, write a story, write a song or whatever. maybe in way, if you say it's how it's connected, maybe AI can develop a song that touches your heart and you feel wow. That happened actually to my daughter's birthday, where one of our friend gave AI like a 4 or 5 word and said, write a song about her with this. And when that song is going on, it's nobody singing, and it has all the nicest words and her name on it. So it sounds really wow, like it's like really like that. So yeah, that way it may connect and it may feel like it's touching people's heart. Yeah. Empathy, as I said, empathy is in like humans core value, one of the core values, which probably you get with birth, which is like a, I would say, which is like a human thing, like flesh and blood and human thing. So AI is very sophisticated and very useful and incredible. And I have seen, like, as I said, my daughter's birthday, it does things that moves people, but it's not a living thing like humans. So we can put in things there, but it has not have come with this inbuilt things in them. We can put what we want them to do, like a service, like servants, like, anything you want to make it work outside the world. It's fantastic. Uh, but you cannot give life to it, because everything that human have extraordinarily is because it has a life with highest intelligence, because we are the one who created AI, right?
Yes.
AI did not create us. So as because we are the one who was given highest intelligence to perform or be human and have that sensitivity, which machines don't have, because they are not like born as humans.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have the ingredient that human does. They don't. They can probably show someday. Maybe they can show emotional features, but I don't think they will have emotions, because emotion is something is very like feeling wise. It's very feeling thing. And I don't think machine's gonna feel thing that way. Maybe someday, I don't like, not recent now. I don't see it like that. Maybe someday when humans turn, like I have heard stories and I do listen to interviews that human may turn into half machine or something. They are so advanced that we are merging. Maybe then human would understand, like machine would understand emotion. Until then, I don't think, if you don't understand, if you don't feel emotion, I don't think you will have empathy, real empathy. That's a very hard question. Nobody can predict future. Uh, Even I cannot. I can only assume, because my mind right now is where I belong or how far I can see. So as far as I can see, for me, human emotions are so intricate and so deep and so uh, just human, that other than human, I don't think anybody would feel that. That's why even animals, they are also living being, and they are also like have life, but still they are not as understandable or as empathetic or as like the human emotions. They don't have it. So yeah, maybe there, I always see life as opportunities. So yeah, if there is something, there is a little bit of space in this world where it can flourish, it will. Wherever there is a space um, to create or to become, it itself will flourish. So it's like, and I am not there even to analyze or predict that if it's going to be there. Maybe someday, as I said, if when humans grow to a point where, but as of now, I don't, not now. Yeah. I think everything like human as intelligence, we are like every day we are growing and we are creative and we find space to build or develop new things. And that way AI is a part of it, and it will grow and it will like evolve to new ideas that we cannot really fathom right now. um, but I would want to say that no matter how big AI grows or whatever it turns out to be, we should not forget how valuable we are as human race, and what we can give to this world uh, is like cannot be calculated, because the AI, or for that matter anything that has come up in this world, has been created by humans as far as I can see. There could be another different world where I don't see, I don't know. But in front of me, around me, whatever we are using or our life has been like only becoming greater and easier and comfortable because of humans' intelligence and their ideas. So, and AI is one of them. So I would say no matter what you gain, what you get, what you develop, and where you go, you don't forget that you are the ultimate creator. Thank you so much. Love to all and stay happy.